Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to customize Windows 10 to make it look and feel the way you want. So let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. Now go to Personalization. Here you can customize many things. Background, change your desktop wallpaper or use a slideshow. Colors, choose your favorite accent color and enable dark or light mode. Lock screen, set a custom lock screen image or slideshow. Themes, apply pre-made themes that change the background, sounds, and colors. Start menu, choose which apps appear on your start menu and adjust tiles. Taskbar, change the taskbar location, icon size, and which icons appear. You can also right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings or Personalize for quick access to some customization options. That's it. By exploring these settings, you can make your Windows 10 PC truly yours.